Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This is Swapnil. In previous videos I have explained about how you can add PDF viewer to view multiple PDFs. If you want to see only the single static PDF, how you can do it, I have explained all these things. But in this video I will explain you, let's say if you want to force users, okay, let's say if you are doing some application for the end user or for your colleagues, or for let's say if you are building an application for your employees, and you want to force users to read the PDF, and then only he will go back and do some activities in the application. Otherwise he won't be able to go back, right? Like let's say, consider for the scenario, this is the Nexon PDF. It has near about 21 pages. So the end user should read all these pages, and then only he will go back or do some operations. Otherwise he will stuck to this particular page. How to do it, this I will show you in this video. It's very easy. I will not explain how to add PDF and all this thing, because I have already explained in these previous videos. I will add link in the description, and in this video I will explain you how to achieve it. Again, I will show you different functions that maybe if you are not aware about the PDFs, then this particular video will help you. Okay, so I will add insert text. I will add 2 to 3 different text. Okay, insert text. Okay, and we will apply some functions, so for your understanding also it will be easy. Okay, first thing is, let's say if you want to count how many pages available in your PDF viewer. So how you do it? Currently our your PDF control name is PDF viewer 1. Okay, so what you have to do is PDF viewer dot, we have different properties. Okay, so you have to select page. Okay, you will get page count. Okay, so just tap it and you will see we have near about, again it will show over here also, but we have 21 pages in PDF. Let's say if you have PDF with 10 pages, then it will show 10. And let's say if you go in the middle of the PDF, okay, now it's on 15th page. Okay, now how to show the page is currently on at what particular page? So for that, what you will do is, again, PDF viewer dot current page. So if you apply these, then you will get exactly at what particular page you are. Okay, so we will use this combination. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, let's add something like, let's say the percentage, how many percentage he covered or he or she covered while reading the PDF. Then how to do it? Let's say, so for that, PDF dot current page as it is, okay, divided by PDF viewer dot sorry, what is that? Current name, page count, right? Page count. Okay, so for this you will get exactly in 0. If you see, okay, let me zoom it. If you see 0.71111, so if you divide it by 21, then you will get exactly near about 0.714, something like that. But we want this round off, so we don't want decimal places things, so we will use round. And round with what? Okay, sorry, 0. So we will get 1. Okay, but we have to find out the percentage. So okay, so for that, what you have to do is PDF viewer into let's say we'll apply into 100. Let's see how it will give you. Okay, it's showing 71%. So right, so current page ka into 100, you will get something with 71 point something, but we have round off, so now you will get only without any decimal places values. Okay, now we will apply this formula in for this particular button, or let's say if you have any back button, let's insert. I will apply in both the cases. Okay, so go over here. Okay, this is just a normal case. I have not beautified this application. Okay, so but it's important to understand the functionality, so that's why. So what you have to do is you have to just copy this, all this thing, Control C, go to over here, control V. Now you have to use if function. Okay, if round of PDF is equal to अगर ये 100, then display mode dot edit, else display mode dot disabled. Okay, so what is happening over here is, okay, so oh, I don't want to apply this on select. You have to apply this on what? You have to apply this on display mode. Okay, sometimes happens. Okay, and again, and on select, what you have to do is on select, you have to just apply back function. Okay, because we have to go to the previous page also. Same thing you can apply it on your arrows, back arrow. Okay, let me control C, control. So again, if I want to explain this, what is doing is from PDF viewer dot current page, you will get the current page value. PDF for dot page count, you will get the exact page count, which is 21 into 100. You will get the percentage, and we made it round off because we don't want decimal places. And if the all values is equal to 100, then only we make display mode dot edit, else display mode dot display. So what will happen is they are forcing user to read all this document, or at least scroll all the way to the top, all the way to the down, and then only he will go back and do some operations. Okay, so if you see, I scroll it all the way down, or currently it's on 17th page, right, 81%. But if you go down, if it is 100%, then only you will get the buttons. Okay, otherwise both the buttons are disabled, or display mode dot disabled conditions. Now it is on enabled, so now you can go back again if you go, because now it's in 100%. Okay, so if you go on this, and you will get this thing. So this is how you can set it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And additionally, now you don't want this, so you can remove it. Okay, I just want to explain the formula, that's why. Okay.